Okay, bunners, this is my world. There's a path that goes out here from our house. See, our house is over that way, across the street from that one. Is it just a bummer? This is the bay. It's got a low tide right now. And that is Morro Rock way out there. Kind of foggy right now. And the camera's jerking because Molly's pulling on my leash. Pulling on her leash. Molly Pew! So right over the sand dune there is the beach. And I haven't walked out that far yet. It's a pretty good hike. But every night this whole bay like fills up. High tide. People go fishing and kayaking out here and stuff. Okay, now we got the kids. They're doing their monkey thing up on these awesome eucalyptus. There's Todd. There's Cole. Oh, okay. There's Peyton. I don't know where Monkey Sage went. And Blair. Oh, there's Sage. There's Sage popping up. Where'd Blair go? Oh my god. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to send this to you on a YouTube video or something because it's gonna be too big to email. I love you, baby girl.